In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy page style in Canva. If you've ever designed a multi-page project and noticed that one page has the perfect look, fonts, colors, spacing, and background, this is the fastest way to make the rest of your pages match without rebuilding anything manually. First, open your project in Canva. This could be a presentation, a report, a social media carousel, or any document with multiple pages. Once your project is open, look toward the bottom of the editor for the row of page thumbnails. These are the small previews of each page in your document. If you don't see them, try scrolling the canvas or zooming out so the bottom panel is visible. Identify the page that already looks exactly how you want. Move your cursor to that page's thumbnail and right-click to open the context menu. Choose Copy Page Style. This stores the visual styling of that page, things like font choices, text sizes, color settings, and background treatments, so you can apply them elsewhere. It doesn't copy your actual content, so it won't duplicate text or images. It simply carries over the styling. Now apply that style to other pages. On any other page thumbnail where you want the same look, right-click again and select Paste Page Style. The page will update to match the styling from your reference page. If the change doesn't appear, make sure you click the page thumbnail in the bottom panel and not the canvas area. Also confirm you chose Paste Page Style and not a different paste option. You can repeat this as many times as needed. It's a great way to keep your entire project consistent, especially when you're working on a tight deadline. If you paste a style and decide it's not quite right, use Undo to revert, then pick a different source page and try again. Think of this as creating an instant theme from your best page without building a separate template. When you paste the style, Canva aligns the visual identity across pages, which is especially helpful for presentations where titles, body text, and backgrounds should remain uniform. It focuses on visual settings rather than rearranging elements, so your layout stays intact while the look becomes consistent. A quick tip before you start: polish your reference page first. Double-check headings, brand colors, and spacing. The better your source page, the better every pasted page will look with a single click. And that's it. Open your project, right-click the page you like, copy page style, then right-click other page thumbnails and paste page style. You'll have a clean, consistent design across pages in seconds.